Hey everybody, 3 different soft shackles. I call this one a standard soft shackle. It has 139% of the line strength, so it's about 2,224 pounds to break this. This is a good soft shackle. The only thing that is kind of annoying about it is you have to pull the line out to open it, and then you have to milk the outer cord down to close it. So it's kind of inconvenient. It's not as fast, and occasionally this outer piece can get pushed down on there and it can jam, and you can have a little bit of difficulty getting this part opened up. So these are like the common soft shackle you see on eBay for cheap, and it's just a noose and a diamond knot, and the strand is buried back in itself. This guy right here is an improved soft shackle. It's got 147% of the line strength, so with 7/64 am steel, it's 2,352 pounds needed to break this. And this one is a little bit better because instead of a bury, you just have the noose, so you can just open it like that, and it closes by itself. So when you get the knot in there and pull it, it tends to close up by itself. And you can also open it by pulling a strand. If you pull the strand a little bit, it will open it. And you can close it by pulling the other strand, like that. So it's a little bit better. It's slightly stronger. And then, in my opinion, this knot is the best one because you have a bigger knot, and you have, instead of just 2 strands here where the noose wraps, like this one, the other 2 shackles just have 2 strands here. This one has 4 strands. So the circle that the rope has to wrap around here is larger, which means there's less stress on that noose. And this one is super easy to open. You can just pull on one strand, open it, pull on the other strand and close it. And this one is an average of 224% of the line strength for about 3,584 pounds needed to break this. Mostly because of the larger knot and the larger noose circle. And also, if you're doing a connection to a piece of metal, like a carabiner or an anchor on a boat or a kayak or something, there's a larger surface area of rope with the 2 strands. So you're going to get less wear on the metal and less wear on the finish. And the weight is spread across a larger area. Whereas with these, you got a little bit more concentration of the contact point. But mostly, it's just beneficial because it's stronger. 224% line strength. That is almost, that's well over 50% more of either of these. And there's one other soft shackle that I'm not showing here. It's called the Big Knot soft shackle, but it only has 228% line strength, so it's only 4% better than this one. And this one is really awesome because the strands are back in here, so there's no strands here to fray, because eventually this little piece that's been heat sealed will kind of open up a little bit and kind of look funky and start to fray and catch dirt. And this one, they're completely captured. Anyway, that's it. That's just the features and benefits of the button knot soft shackle versus the improved and the standard. Thanks.